Almost 90% of wild plants and 75% of leading global crops depend on animal pollination. 1 out of every 3 mouthfuls of our food depends on pollinators such as bees. Crops that depend on pollination are 5 times more valuable than those that do not. Social bees, such as honeybees and bumblebees, often live in hives or nests above or below the ground, while most solitary bees nest in the ground. Bees can be found in so many locations, some surprising, such as quarries, seawalls, and even post-industrial land. Bees are incredibly diligent creatures, with a single worker bee visiting up to 5,000 flowers in a single day, showcasing their tireless work ethic and vital role in pollination. The intricate dance of the honeybee, known as the waggle dance, is not merely a whimsical display, but a sophisticated communication method, conveying precise information about the location of food sources to fellow hive members. Despite their tiny size, bees collectively contribute to a monumental feat, with estimates suggesting that it takes around 2 million flowers and over 55,000 miles of flight for bees to produce just 1 pound of honey. Bees, through their remarkable foraging abilities, play a crucial role in global food production, as they pollinate approximately 1/3 of the world's crops, ensuring the continued abundance of fruits, vegetables, and nuts. In the intricate hierarchy of the hive, each bee has a specific role to play. From the queen, who reigns supreme and lays eggs tirelessly, to the drones, whose sole purpose is to mate with the queen, and the workers, who diligently tend to the hive's needs. The marvel of bee architecture is evident in their meticulously crafted hexagonal honeycombs, which not only store honey, but also serve as incubators for developing bee larvae, showcasing nature's exquisite engineering. Bees possess an extraordinary sense of smell, with some species able to detect minute quantities of nectar from several kilometers away, guiding them unerringly to precious food sources amidst vast landscapes. The collaborative spirit of bees extends beyond their immediate hive, as they engage in mutualistic relationships with various plant species, trading pollination services for nectar, a delicate dance essential for ecosystem health. The complex social structure of a bee colony is governed by intricate chemical communication, as bees release pheromones to convey vital information such as alarm signals, reproductive cues, and the queen's presence. Despite their gentle demeanor while foraging for nectar, bees are fiercely protective of their hive, with worker bees willing to sacrifice their lives to defend the queen and their precious honey against perceived threats.